So, I put the problem, mga palangga. Oh, is pulled to the right. It looks like easy, right? But we have Newtons, right? A constant fractional force of constant fractional force, kaloka, right? Fractional force of 60 Newton horizontal force. Oh my gosh. Calculate the horizontal force. Nakakaloka. Okay. It's gonna be like, how far will the bats travel after 15 seconds? How far, okay, how far to, this is the problem, okay? So we are trying to solve for the duration, see the distance, how the bats travel after 15 seconds. So our solution will be like this. Okay, let's do first the schematic diagram or a sketch. This is a 5 kilogram, okay? Rested in the holding the back to the right. Okay, so the force is 200 newton, it's gonna be TF, tension force 200 newton, okay? We're doing here the free body diagram of the FBD, okay? Now, opposes meaning, okay, reverse, or meaning opposite to the force over tension. It's going to be here like this, okay? Fractional, is this fractional force, so FF, right? Fractional force, pila siya, 60 Newton, right? And the mass of your bags is 5 kilogram. This is your sketch, right? It's just simply pulling it, okay? There's no angle of inclination, okay? So how can we do this? Calculate the horizontal force. Actually, this horizontal force, guys, is what we mean here is net force. Okay, net force. Because this is the requirement, you should have a value of net force in order your object to move. It's not b equal to 0. Okay? So it's gonna be like that. So this basically using the second law of Isaac Newton, the law of acceleration. Okay? That's gonna be our useful theory or concept to be used here. Okay, now. So let's do the solving of the F net. F net, okay, or summation of the forces horizontal is equal to the negative fractional force, negative F, because it is going to the right, left, negative, okay, plus tension force positive going to the right. Substitute values 60 Newton for the fractional force, so negative 60 Newton plus positive 200 Newton. So it's going to be your summation of your F net will be equal to 140 Newtons. So you have answered letter A na. Oh. So we're going to use this formula, mass times acceleration, right? We'll say F net is equals to mass times acceleration in horizontal distance, ax, right? Get the point, because it's moving in horizontal direction, or to the right, to the left, something like that, but in here to the right, right? Okay, so F net is 140 newtons, okay, is equals to the mass, which is 5 kilogram, and then the acceleration, ex will be equal to 140 divided by 5, pila siya. Calculator please. Okay, 140 divided by mga palakapag it's gonna be, so 140 divided by 5 is gonna be 28 meter per second squared. This is acceleration. 28 meter per second squared. We have answered level na 28 meter per second squared. Now, how far the bats travel after 15 seconds? Okay, so we're gonna use the formula of kinematics linear motion that involves distance. Okay, it's gonna be Vf squared plus also Vo squared plus 2AD. We're gonna use this one, right? Think. You cannot use directly, it's equation 1. Because we don't have acceleration yet. Okay? So how about the others that involve distance? So we have distance is equals to VO, initial velocity, times time plus 1/2 times acceleration times t squared. We can use this one or not? This is equation 2. Okay. What's the question again? How far will the bat travel after 15 seconds? So we have the time. So we have the time, we have the acceleration, and then our initial velocity here is 0 because it's starting from rest before Jun pulling this back to the right. So distance is equals to initial velocity is 0 times t is still 0, so 0 plus 1/2. Acceleration is nakuha na nato 28 times time. Dimension ng time, yes, 15 seconds raised to the power 2, and it's gonna be equal to our distance is tadadan, yun na siya. Okay, tadadan, 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 tadadan. Okay, 15, okay, times 28 is equals to divided by 2 is equals to, we have 3,150 meters, or, okay, let's check it again. Divided by 2 is equals to, okay, ganun siya. 15 times 15 divided times 14 is equals to 3,150 meters is our distance covered. Okay, 3,150 meters is our distance covered. Now, can we use another formula for this also? Yes, we can use this also, this one, to solve for the D, and then solve for the VF first. Okay? So let's check. How can we do that? Okay, how can we do that? Okay, let's eraser heads. Okay, it's here, right? So we're gonna erase this first because we already memorized the sketch. We don't have to worry. Okay, now we can also use this one, but first, okay, we need to calculate the VF. And then, since we have the time, okay, 15 seconds, we will use the another formula. VF is equals to VO plus AT, right? Since we don't have VF yet here, right? So we need to solve VF using this equation 3. So VF is equals to 0 initial velocity, acceleration 28 meter per second squared times the time 15 seconds, right? So VF will be, so let's check if it have the same answer. Okay, 28 times 15. Okay, 28 times 15 mga palangga is 420 meter per second. 420 meter per second. So we have now the VF. Substitute that here in this equation. Okay? Substitute again, like that. Okay. This one is not direct, but what I'm trying to emphasize, you can compute also the distance in another version of solving, another way. Okay? Like the VF is 420, so 420 raised to the power 2 is equal to initial velocity 0. Okay, 0 to raised to the power 2 is 0, plus 2 acceleration is 28. Then distance is equals to the square root. Understood that it must be 3,150 also, or not, or else your analysis is wrong. It will not be matching. Okay, like that. So 2 times 28, that's gonna be 56. 420 exponential divided by 56 is equals to, okay, perfect. The distance also is 3,150 meters, even though you solve another equation. So this is correct. Okay. The horizontal meter per second squared, the distance is 3,150 meters. Okay? That's very good. Any questions so far for this question? Nothing, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. This is very quick, right? But it takes me 11 minutes to do this. Thank you so much. You can share in the YT channel also if you want. Then you can share to anybody else, you can comment, and you can subscribe my YT if you're not subscribing yet. Okay? And then you can also click the bell notification for some news updates of I Am a Channel Voice. Bye bye. God bless everybody. See you later.